Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As we all know, today is Earth Day. I'll be talking about its significance. So, this year's theme is Restore Our Earth, and it is because it focuses on natural processes and emerging green technologies that can restore the world's ecosystems. And it is really important as there is no planet B. Why it is celebrated? It is a day of celebrating diversity of our Mother Earth. It raises awareness of multiple global issues like climate crisis and ecosystems. In this specific video, I'll be talking about the, the awareness of marine ecosystems. Its core focus is to support the achievement of Sustainable Development Goals by 2030, and by end of the video, you'll understand how. So firstly, one of the major issues is climate crisis, which we try to tackle on Earth Day. And it supports the 13th SDG, which is climate action. So what is the goal? It is taking urgent action to tackle climate change and its impacts. Because it is caused um, by human activities, and it is threatening our way we live and future of our planet. So by addressing climate change, we can build a sustainable world for everyone. It is said that the Paris Agreement has helped open up many business opportunities in emerging market for climate smart investments. Now, um, as we move on to the second issue, um, the which is the life underwater, which, and it supports the 14th goal. So it is said that before COVID-19 that ocean acidification continues to threaten marine ecosystems. Now now during COVID-19, as there is a reduction of human activities, the oceans and the water bodies have a chance to recuperate. So 1997 countries have signed the agreement on port state measures, the first binding international agreement on illegal, unreported and unregulated fishing. So now it's a global issue and everybody's working towards it. But to protect it, we still have to work more, as there are still many plastic waste going into the oceans, and it's it's harming aquatic creatures like microplastics. They are affecting the aquatic life. Experiments show that microplastics damage aquatic creatures as well as turtles and birds. They block digestive tracts, diminish the urge to eat, and alter feeding behavior, all of which reduce growth and reproductive output. The stomach stuffed with plastic, some species starve and die. Well, let's make Earth Day every day. As SDG 13 and 14 are just examples, the interconnectedness of these show that all the SDGs can be part of Earth Day. As we know, Earth Day is every day, and working towards take, taking action every day means that we're working towards SDGs. Even small steps like planting, disposing of properly, can help in achieving these goals. Do comment and let me know what have you done for Mother Earth today. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.